Offshore 42. There are many ways that offshore ship owners can benefit from having a strategic long-term agreement with Candina. Well, number one is we have the biggest database in this planet of seafarers, and we have really the best AI systems that, for example, Microsoft does with Copilot operate today, and with ChatGPT and many other systems that some very, very intelligent companies with very big software companies. I remember one company that used to have this software for such a specific area that really was kicked out of the water because we invented this AI system. There are other AI systems like for application of CVs, of seafarers and so on, but there is very expensive softwares like MariApp and like many others that ship owners have. But Candina, we have really the softwares for you. We use CruiseVector, we use Adonis, we use your software, dear ship owner, like a total about 6 different softwares. So you can contact us so we can really link both the database that you have, the long-term talent retention and the cost with Candina's, because we have a huge potential from 600 Fiji crew to Philippines, Indonesians, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, India, all Angola, Cameroon, Gabon, all countries, Ghana, in the African, West African area for the offshore, plus also we have office in Casablanca. And then for this Trinidad and Guyana business, we have offices in Panama, in Honduras, Peru, we have Venezuela, and even Cuba. If you don't need to have US visa, you can inform us, because we have a big pool of Cuban and of Venezuelans that are available to join your good offshore areas. Perhaps you have ships around Guyana or so, then we can really think about the work permits and think about Candina, because this offshore sector is going to have a big problem due to the petrol prices going down, but that means that the operations and the fleet and the crew management will need to have a cost reduction, and we have many owners calling us because they are worried about the Northern European, the Norwegians, the British fish, the German fish, the Finnish, the Swedish, all these Northern Europeans and very expensive countries like Singapore, they are charging huge fees. Well, in Candina, what we want is economies of scale. We want your 100, 200 ships, so we can put them under the Adonis, for example. This is the perfect match. It's very competitive Adonis, because it has a full system from payroll to budget variance control, finance management, the rotations, all kinds of communication between the ship owner and the crew management company, so we can really have a long-term, 25 years, really cost cut, and also really put a tailored system for your crew management systems aside from technical. So if you're thinking in retention long-term and really escaping away from these very high Northern Europeans or big managers cost fees, like they have 12%, 10%, 8%, 7%, 6%, 5%. If you're thinking in really have economies of scales for your 200 ships and then go below those figures, contact me. We can really have a negotiation directly today, sign today for your fleet. Thank you. Bye.